Hello guys and welcome back. As you can see, we're loading into ATV Airport. As you might not know, I have done changes. See, the whole runway is going right there. Any changes? Okay, that's a random person. Okay, well we got filmed this page with. This is strange. Food, drink, maybe. Yeah, I got the idea. One red, probably sleep. What do people like? Well, we need food. This one, I got sushi. Check. Fast food. So, and and we also need property station. Probably table chairs. Some pod chairs. I got 6,000. We should make that a wow. Four, five, 4, 2, 3. Yeah, hey, happiness. Probably more. How I wonder how they're gonna be happy. Done. Perfect. Now we just need a middle. Let's go. What? Huh? No, that's why we have so much. Then, let's go. No, we probably need double doors. Yeah, one there. Oh, look, 3 doors. 3 seems like maybe 4. I mean, 4. Let's see. Let's go save. We have patient everywhere except, but we need separation and the kill for one. I haven't seen that well. This is like the Airbus 3. let's go check. Okay, bro, the large runway, but somehow, wow, wow, ha, strange, bro, has that, but somehow I don't know. Okay, that's the. Yeah, what else are we gonna do in this? Are we? No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Very free, right? Probably needs left. We're on the chair. Fire! Fire! Huh? Hey, what happened? People set fire. This is outside, so I'm gonna come to this. Probably we want some more projects and more happiness, hopefully. 100%, let's go. Let's have more food and always get more clay. But they just didn't that. We're just gonna shove some random things when we're focused play. Maybe this is like let's go. Yeah. Like how oh yeah, I got a good idea. So first we're gonna why is that so dark? Maybe. Yeah. Okay, now we need a bunch of wood. How about we have one? What? Him? Yes. Oh, funny. Like we only spent like a frame of iron. Somehow we have run out. I don't know how. Maybe because I don't really know what I played with. You guys. Helicopter. Wee. Wee. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just standing like Who cares? No need doors, I mean. 2 doors. Like, connection on it. Okay. Pretty peaceful. Yeah, let's just shove a noise. Yeah. One day. But anyway, see ya for now, but anyway.